Yeah, what's up, diggers? I'm on a new field. I know it's been done before, but the owner is super nice. He just said come and have a look around. The grass is a bit long, to be honest, but I've got a program for that someone suggested to me on Facebook, so I'll put the details of that up at the end if it's any good, and I'll show you what I find. See you in a bit. Right, so I'm using this new program. First time I've used it. It's quite noisy, sort of background humming, but it's fine. Something in here. Oh, what is this bit of rubbish? Yeah, I thought it was quite big. Crap. Oh well. I've just had the this signal. It's a little bit faint, but I'm expecting that because the grass is really long. And then plus, it was all the way down there, so pretty deep. So this program so far, I think it's the GMAX power one, slightly adjusted. It's quite good. I'm quite impressed. Where's it gone? That's a little rim of green here. What's it going to be? Looks like a penny. Yeah. Who's that? Who did? Looks a bit smooth. Hang on. That might need a special knee rub. Hang on. Yeah. Oh, it's Vicky. Hello, Vicky. She's got a veil head. Alright, that's not too bad. Not a bad start. Yeah, she finally got a veil head right towards sort of 1898, 99, even though she'd been in mourning for about 50 years by then. Bless her. Alright, that's alright, let's carry on. Alright, just had this. It's heavy, it's lead. If I show you it as well, that would make it a better video, wouldn't it? I can't make out any pattern on it or anything, but it definitely was something. It's not a hem weight, there's no holes in it. Is there anything on there? Nope, unknown lead item, but it's a good target and it was deep down. Look at that big hole. Plus the grass on top. So this program I am impressed with. Right, let's crack on. I don't know what this is. It was deep down though. It's got writing on it. Is it? If you've got any ideas, let me know. But I'll clean it up. Looks kind of like 30s style, I guess. What's that say on there? Kyberg? Something? I don't know. No idea. I'll look into it. Tweed. What's that say? Tweed. If I find out, I'll let you know. Yeah. Right, I'm just down the bottom of the field near an old Victorian textile mill, and I've just had this up. It's a penny, but it's only Elizabeth II, so it's not that old. I'm going to show you. I must get used to showing stuff through the camera instead of just looking at it myself, because it makes YouTube videos rather crap if you don't show people what you're looking at. Right, there you go. Elizabeth II penny. Let's carry on looking around. I just did the worst pinpointing in the history of metal detecting. Anyway, I found it in the end. Looks like a penny. It was pretty deep. It was about 5 inches. Yay! What is this? Right, hang on. Can't see who it is yet. Oh yeah. It's Edward. End of the 7th. No, it isn't. That's a total lie. It's George the 5th. Muppet. Me, not George the 5th. I'm sure he was a jolly nice chap. Right, carry on. Alright, let's get this one out together. Seems as we're all friends. See this somewhere? It was giving me, what, an 89? Sounds alright. Probably a bit of crap. Let's have a look. Would help if you could see. And it would help if I turned on my pinpointer. Jesus Christ. Right, all that, and it was a bit of rubbish. Good Lord. The thing about this program is it's a lot of sort of background noise, and it's a bit like being married. You get used to it after a while and you just ignore it. But I quite like it. Don't tell your mum I said that, girls. Okay, I'm back. If you use full tones on a dais, you'll know that this sounds alright. I think. 94. Let's pinpoint it. Alright, let's get that bad boy out. I've lost my pinpointer. I really should attach it to my belt or something. I'm just walking around looking for it. Flip's sake. Right, we're off. Here it is. Yeah! Right, let's go and see what was in that hole. Right, after all that, it was a bit of scrap metal. Come on. There. Gave a good signal though. What is it? Might be aluminium. No, it's pretty heavy. Right, well, I know what it is. Nothing good. So I'm going to carry on. I think that's like the middle of a ruler, and it would bend. So you could move the ruler and bend it in half. Right, yeah, nothing good, is it? Right. A decimal halfpenny. Look at that, there's about £2 worth of lead there. I'm glad I'm sane. I'm fed up with digging up bits of crap. Right, back on day 2, so I've gone back to the little patch where the broken pottery is and where I found that lovely silver war badge, which I didn't film because I'm a massive numpty. I'm still kicking myself about that in the last episode. So I've put the 13-inch coil on. We'll go down to 11 kilohertz. Might try GMAX power actually, and I'll let you know if I find anything. See you in a minute. Alright, first coin in the morning. Where is it? Grotty old halfpenny. Hey, the copper's up here just getting knackered. Right, if I can get anything off that, I'll show you a picture. Just been chasing something down this great big hole. Look at that, and it was right at the bottom. I think I saw an edge. Hang on, where has it gone? I don't think it's anything exciting. Maybe a farthing? Oh no, it's just a button. Just a button with nothing on the front. Alright, at least I know I'm getting deep. Let's carry on. This was a lovely clear signal. Gave me a 90, I think it was. There you go. What is that? It's a huge bit of copper, wherever it is. It's not a coin though. What is that? Don't think it's anything good. There's no writing on it. Nah, I think that's just rubbish. Oh well, let's carry on. This was loud. I just kicked open the clod and there it is. Looks like a penny. And it's George the 6th. Yep, it's gone quite quiet. I haven't found anything for a while, so even though it's just a George the 6th penny, it's nice to find, especially when you're not finding anything. Right, let's keep looking. I've been going quite a while now and found absolutely naff all. So I dug this rubbish signal like you do when you're bored. What's it sound like now? Still don't sound great, does it? I don't know what that is, but it's something. It's kind of shield shaped. I don't know if it's a badge. It's got a pattern on it, I think. Hang on. Is that a flower? I don't know what that is. I'll clean it up and I'll show you a picture and you might have to decide for yourself, because I've not got a clue. Right, let's carry on. Right, I went over that hole again and there was another signal in there, so I've been digging around for a little while. And I've got something in here. There's a little rim. It's not silver, I don't think. Well, I'm pretty sure it's not. What is it? Is that farthing? Don't know what that is. Probably a farthing. Hang on. Or was it just a blinking 1p? Yeah, I think I can see a little wren there. So there's that and that strange thing in the same hole. Always check your holes, folks. Let's carry on. So, I was going to say I hadn't found any pottery for a while and there's nothing on the surface, but there's that there. It's not old or anything, but it's not new. Let's have a look at this thing. What is that? I don't know what that is. Well, it's. I don't need to alert the British Museum, do I? It's nothing great. Right, let's carry on. Right, I've changed to an area I've been avoiding because it's so muddy, but it's not as muddy now because it hasn't rained constantly. Let's have a look. I think it's a farthing. Looks a bit green to be anything else. Hang on. Let's at least try and see who it is. I think that's George the 6th. Yeah. Right, let's carry on. Okay, so you might have heard in that last clip my phone was ringing. That was my wife ringing me to tell me she thinks she's broke her toe and she wants me to come home and straighten it. I'm not a doctor, but I'll have a go at it. Honestly, it's embarrassing. She'll do anything to see more of me. That is a massive lie. She's just a clumsy clock. Right, I don't know if that's enough to put a video together, but if you're watching this and it's at the end of the video, you'll realise that it is. Bit rubbish really, bit of a rubbish few hours detecting compared to the last session where I found that really nice silver badge. Right, enough waffle, I'll catch you later. If you're out, good luck.